residential security systems installation in Toronto. To ensure the safety of your assets and loved ones at affordable price, call Alarvac today. The company has been in business for more than 25 years, and since inception it has been assisting customers to make the perfect choice for home security systems and security system installation service in Toronto. When it comes to value, quality and reliability, its cost-effective residential security systems installation solutions and professional customer services have earned a name in the market. The company's qualified and experienced technicians can shoulder the responsibility of installation phases easily, irrespective of your home security system's requirements. For example, for homes with a finished basement, they will send a crew who are expert in installing and fishing wiring. Once the cabling is done, they will send technicians who are expert in installation and commissioning of your security systems. In some cases, they may even send an IT specialist to network the system, install the app and set it up on your phones and devices. Website, www.alarvac.com. Phone, 416-520-4080. Email, info@alarvac.com. Address, 3868 Chesswood Drive, North York.